Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Curiosity Corner Live. Again, my name is Matt, and today we talked about chromatography. Chromatography, in my opinion, was that super cool thing where water defied gravity and went up a paper towel and also showed us the ability to separate the pigments in ink. Pretty neat. So my goal is today, again, show you something that's another way to show that chromatography, or specifically that capillary action, in another cool way. So what you'll need is 6 cups, 6 pieces of paper towel, and food coloring, 3 different colors. So I think you'll need about 8 to 10 drops of each, but what you'll need is to create a ring or a circle of cups that are about the same size, something like this. And then you're going to use your paper towel to create a strip to bridge the gap between each cup. But before you make your or put your bridge in, you're going to need to fill every other cup with food coloring. So 3 cups about full with 8 to 10 drops of food coloring and water. Then each and every other cup will be empty. So half cup's empty, half cup's full of color and water, and then put your bridge in, making sure that your bridge doesn't come up too high. And then stuff happens. And when that stuff happens, you'll notice something pretty cool. And I think you might have a hard time seeing it, but this is the reaction to what I just described. And it took over 15 minutes, so I can just show you the end result. And what I have is my empty cups are no longer empty. They're actually full of a completely new color that we did not add using food coloring. And the cups that had the food coloring and water are about half as full. So in this empty cup, I have orange liquid. In this empty cup, I have green liquid. And in this empty cup, I have purple liquid. And if you want, I'll prove it. That's green. That's orange for sure. So you'll notice these are all wet. All my paper towels are wet, and they are no longer white because they have, using that capillary action, absorbed the water to bridge all the gaps so that the water could just walk around downtown. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy watching your water walk if you give this a try at home. It's pretty cool. It does take a minute, but it's rather awesome. Mix your colors, and we want to see your creations at home. Don't forget that hashtag StayCuriousCLE. But so that's chromatography, and I'm very excited we got to talk about that. And tomorrow you're going to talk more or learn more about density and different ways to layer liquids. So we're going to send you to my colleague Jared. He's pretty awesome, and he's going to talk to you about that tomorrow. So make sure that you stay tuned and come back tomorrow and every day at 10:30 a.m. for our Curiosity Corner Live Science Extravaganza. Awesome. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, stay curious.